Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Cepheid GeneXpert HBV viral load. As you can see, this is the top view and this is the front view of the box. You can see this is the front view, this is a Cepheid kit, and this is the top view of the box. You can see this is the GeneXpert HBV viral load. You can see the reference number here, HBV VL-CE-10. You can see the catalog number 10 over here, the pack size of 10. You can find the manufacturing address. You can see it is need to be stored between 2 to 35 degrees Celsius. And find all these warning details here. Cepheid. So guys, let me show you the sides. So this is the other side of the box. You can find the catalog number and the expiry here. So this is the back side of the box. Also has a catalog number and expiry, and this is the other side of the box. Now you can see this is the South African certification of registration holder, Cepheid building with the address. So guys, so let me unbox this for you. So guys, this is the cartridges. So let me keep this over this side. So these are the Cepheid cartridges. Now you can see it here. This is the GeneXpert HBV viral load. You can see the lot number here, the expiry here. This is the cartridge. You see it's very handy. It comes with a holder, I think. I can have to insert the sample over here. So as you can see, it contains 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 cartridges. So these are the cartridges. So now let's see what's inside. After that, I think we have a GeneXpert HBV for all GeneXpert system software. There is a CD with software in it for the assay definition file, import instructions, and the instructions for use. You can find the CD here, and you can find the product brochure also is present. The product brochure. Let me show this. So this is the brochure for it. As you can see, it contains the updated assay definition file version 2. You can find these details here in different languages, the back insert. So after that, you have these this sterile swabs to use to collect and to inoculate the sample. Comes with a type of partition. So guys, let me bring this close. So this is the unboxing of the Cepheid Xpert HBV viral load. You can see the catalog number and the expiry here. You can see it is a 10 test pack. It comes with the pack insert, software CD with 10 cartridges and a sterile swab. So this is the unboxing of the kit. Thank you.